As the Troop Fall Product Program Manager, you may have to enter order card sales for some of the participants in your troop. If that is the case, when it's your turn, the system will allow you to click the paper order entry link where you will see a list of girls in your troop. Simply click on the Girl Scouts data row, choose Edit Paper Order, and then enter the products for that Girl Scout by product variety in total units sold. So the cumulative total for each product variety. Her sales total and count will update, and then once you click the update button, that information will be saved in the system. You'll have a certain amount of time where you can edit this particular order, but once you're locked out of the system, if you have any changes or edits that need to be made, you'll have to see your service unit manager or ask your Council Product Program team for assistance.